Hi, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all of you. Many of you are open this video by way of seeing thumbnail. Definitely I don't want to give any disappointment to all of you at the end. First of all, in this video I want to explain CMA Final direct taxation, that is paper number 15 version 5 books. So whatever the version 5 books now we want to release, that is applicable for June as well as December 2026 examination. Sir, what are the books you are going to provide? The first one concept book, second one workbook, third one handwritten and MCQs. So these are all the books I am going to provide in the multicolor. Even concept book, workbook, handwritten and MCQ, all the books will be in a multicolor format only. Now, the many students are asking about the, sir, does workbook contains the icmai study material questions, workbook, past examinations and MQPs. So coming to the past examination and MQPs, I considered nearly 10 items papers. So whatever the necessary amendments are there, I changed the amendments. Now I included in our workbook nearly 400 questions. And next, whenever the question is necessary to include in our material, I am taken from the ICI modules also. Example, non-resident in transfer pricing chapter, I included some questions from the ICI module also. Next, the very important amendments which are given in Finance Act 2025 also covered in our version 5. Sir, can you show me the sample copies? Already sample copies are released. Now, so the main headings I am presenting in a dark color, dark red color, side headings dark green color, amendments are in pink color. If you verify that first chapter, the present Finance Act, and in our first chapter, the Finance Act 2025 given the updated rates for 115 BSc, that is also presented in a dark pink color. That rebate under section 115 BSc also changed, that is also I presented in a dark pink color. So by way of seeing this book, definitely you can identify the amendments easily. Now coming to the workbook also I given it in the multicolor, the question and answer in a clear way, the detailed calculations how you got these answers. Not only in the first chapter, I maintain this consistency even in the last chapters also. In advanced tax and interest, how we got these amounts, all the things I solved these questions in my own presentation. Next, handwritten notes. So this is a notes I given to our regular batch students in classroom itself. These notes only I want to send it for print. Yes, and MCQs, you know already, nearly 400 MCQs I compiled from the ICI and ICMI resources. Definitely that MCQs are enough for our preparation. Next, sir, when you are going to dispatch the books for our regular batch students, I am going to dispatch the books 8th February to 10th February. At any time our staff will dispatch the books and will share the tracking IDs also to your register number. Sir, how to order the books? If you want to get hard copies of these 3 books, sir, alone book we don't want to sell, as a combined set only we want to sell. Yes, if you want to purchase before February 10th, the price will be 799, and after February 11th, the price will be 1199. That means 1200 only. Yes. Now I want to share one more important news to all of you, and good news also. Yes, our regular batch CMA Final direct taxation June as well as December 26. So detailed discussion, nothing but this entire handwritten notes I given in the classroom itself. Handwritten notes and yes, provisions are presented in these handwritten notes in a simplified version. Then after we discuss the questions also, all together the duration coming to 180 hours. If you watch these classes at a normal speed, along with me, if you written these notes, one time preparation will be done. The second time you can do practice on your own, that 180 hours, the detailed discussion along with the problems including MCQs. So now only CMA Final DT, not group wise admission, not face to face admission, not both groups admission, not combo admission. If student purchased only DT, here we taken the data from our service provider TechHand. Yes, we reached 255 admissions. So what next? What are the upcoming batches from your side, sir? After results, we are going to launch the exam oriented batch. Then after Yes, the many of you are waiting for this revision series on YouTube for June as well as December 2026. The next step. Yes, I already given an information about the soft copies. Okay, that is mentioned in a thumbnail also. Sir, in December 2025 examination, we uploaded that concept book and workbook as well as handwritten notes and MCQ at a free of cost in our website. Will you upload the same, that is version 4 books? Right? So now, can you upload the version 5 also in that website? So this is only the question. Definitely, if I am releasing at a free of cost, including all the amendments, definitely these books are this amount we are going to charge for the hard copies. If you want to purchase hard copies, yes, that means nothing but before dispatching, yes, you can pay $7.99. On or after that date, you have to pay $11.99. No, sir, I don't want to purchase books. Because version 3 of my books and version 4, these nearly 5,000 sets of books already I sold. So that's why now I don't want to sell hard copies alone. I want to give the soft copies at a free of cost. But what is that condition you want to impose, sir? Yes, I want to impose this condition. If this video, yes, if this video, whatever the video you are watching, if this video got 1,000 plus comments, possible only. The reason, in the last attempt, I received nearly 500 plus comments for this video, the same concept. Now, if I got 1,000 plus videos, okay, today is Saturday and Sunday and Monday. In these 3 days, if I am receiving 1,000 plus comments for this video, I will release these 3 books of version 5, which is applicable for June as well as December in our website at a free of cost. You can download it and you can go for Xerox also and you can start your preparation. All the best, and if anyone is waiting for your results on February 11th, all the best to all of you. Thank you.